Hello again, everyone. I'm here with a Chic Sparrow unbagging, I suppose, not an unboxing, because it was so big that I could not put the box on the table, so I took it out of the box. This is a second chance Irina bag, or Irina bag. Irina, I think it's Irina. And so I did take a little peek, mostly by accident, when I was putting it on my table. So I do know what color it is. But those of you that don't know, for second chance items, you are not in control of what the color is when you get it. So these were on sale for a very short period of time as regular sale items. And then I saw that they put up a post or a listing for the second chance bags, and I put in a little reminder for when they came back in stock, and I got a text about it, and so I immediately went and got one because it's a bargain at the second chance cost. So let's see what sticker I have in my little envelope here. Oh, it's the cute one. It's the cute little bird. That's adorable. And let's see if there's anything else in here. So it's my receipt, and then it looks like they have a new card with that's the Lewis in the picture, but it's for the Lewis and Clark collection. So that was in there. Let me put that off to the side. And this little cute sticker, Jennifer was showing these off the other day on Facebook and Instagram. And this little bird, they did not make them in-house. This is a separate person who sent them to them, called Hannah by Grace, and she did all these little birds with a little Lewis on the shoulder. It's really cute because it's the same Lewis that I have, so I'm wondering how I can incorporate this into that notebook somehow. It's super cute. All right. Okay, so let's get to the big event here. So this is so big, it's not gonna all fit in the frame, I think. But let's see. And now I have a gigantic bag, dust bag in addition. Okay, so this is the Nightingale in the Mockingbird line. So, let's see. So I'm going to try and take a look at it a little bit here. This is like a perfect size. I'm really excited about this bag because the number of pockets and the size and the fact that it can be both a shoulder bag and a handled bag here. Because generally I'll carry most of my bags crossbody. That's kind of the style that I wear the most, but then when I put them in my car, it's a lot easier to pick them up and take it out of the car by a handle like this. So I'm really stoked about this design. I was a little on the fence about the Mockingbird leather in this bag, but now that I've seen it and now that I'm feeling it, I think it's actually really nice. And I'm not quite sure what makes this a second chance bag. I was going to kind of look at it front and back and inside and see if I could see anything. But so far, I mean, there's some marks and scuffs. I suppose that could be it. There is a scuff on the bottom here. But, you know, it's going to get scuffs when I'm using it, so that's not really an issue for me. And in my notes, I did leave notes on my order. I said I would prefer Nightingale if you have it, and then Hummingbird was my second choice, but it looks like they had Nightingale, so my first choice was honored. I'm super excited. This is such a nice bag. So one of the sort of unique things about this bag as opposed to some of the other Chic Sparrow bags is it has these external seams. And this seemed to be a little bit polarizing on the Facebook 2.0 Chic Sparrow group. It seemed like some people thought it was a cool idea and other people were really kind of turned off by the external seams. I don't mind them. I mean, in this case, it seems almost like a design factor where it sort of creates a different look, which I don't mind at all. In fact, I like it. So, oh, see, so here's a little spot here where the leather is, has a little spot But again, you know, I mean, maybe that was it. But so far I'm not seeing anything that would be a deal breaker for me. The only thing that concerns me about that spot is it seems like it's a little bit harder in that area, but as long as it doesn't turn into a hole, I don't have an issue with it. So, and then we've got another little spot here, and I really like the veining that's on the cover. I actually have a couple of A5 notebooks in the Nightingale leather, and I really like them, so I'm really excited to have this bag. Okay, let's see. So the back, again, I mean, just some random marks. We've got some marks up here, and maybe some down here. And then there's this here in the back. But again, I mean, these are things that I would expect with normal variations in the leather. And so I will try my best to show you the inside. It's going to be a little tough given how big it is. So as you can see, so there's the pocket on the front, which I really love. I really love front pockets. Usually I'll either put my keys or my phone in the front pocket, which is great. And then there is this crossbody handle here, made out of the same leather. And then, I apologize again if this is awkward. So then we have this bunch of space in here, and then there is a pocket here on the back side, and then I think, yeah, so this goes all the way through because this is just where it's attached there. So there's really just one pocket on the back and then the one pocket on the front. And it looks like this has the Chic Sparrow rivets. I was kind of wondering about that. And I don't know if this was, oh, see, here you go. Here's another line here. Again, I like these things about leather, so this doesn't bother me at all, which is kind of why I jumped on the Second Chance not notebook, the Second Chance bag, because I thought, you know, whatever it is, they're so picky about the quality of their items, which is great. I mean, I love that about Chic Sparrow, and the fact that you know you're always going to get a really good quality item when you buy it full price. But because they're so, no, picky's not the right word, because they're so strict about making sure that their quality is the best, their Second Chance items tend to be pretty good. I mean, you're not really going to get something that's going to be a really messed up item in Second Chance. And I am super excited about this bag. I think that's pretty much all the different areas of the bag. I've already showed you the bottom. I'll be interested to see how this bag holds up with use. Again, it's kind of strange that I'm buying all these bags at this point in time because I am hardly using any bags because I'm not going out a lot. I am working from home for the most part, and I'm only going to a few places, and when I do go places, I'm trying to keep my stuff that I'm carrying really super minimal. So I might not actually start using this bag at any great length for a while, but it's not going to go bad. It's just going to sit in my closet while it's waiting for me to be used, and I'm super stoked. But yeah, if I had to guess, given all the different things on this bag, I would say that this spot here is probably the reason why this ended up in Second Chance. But that is just a guess from my standpoint. Just because the texture is a little different and it's like right where the seam is and that sort of thing. But again, I really like character in a lot of my leather items, so this is perfect for me. And again, I'm really sorry that I can't get the entire bag in the shot because this is as wide as I can go with my phone that I'm using here. So, okay, so I think that's it. Thanks for joining me for this unbagging. Feel free to like and or subscribe, and I'm going to be posting, pretty much every day of the week except for the weekends for the foreseeable future, just because I have so many different videos lined up. So feel free to join me. So like and or subscribe so you can keep track, and I will see you next time. Have a great day. Thanks so much. Bye.